feel good.
As we celebrate the union of Joel and Joy, let's give them all our love and joy. Special occasions like this don't come around often, so let's make the most of it.
1, 2, 3, 4. Ah! I feel good.
That's right, let's manifest good vibes. Have fun and create amazing memories together. Can we do that? Kaya po ba nating ipakita yung ating kasiyahan para po sa okasyong ito? Can we do that? Can I get a yes? Yes, that's the spirit. Palakpakan naman po para sa bawat isa.
Feel good.
Do you feel good?
I feel good.
And so, say, so good.
So good.
And one more time.
So good.
So good.
So good.
I feel like good.
You.
Woohoo! As we welcome our couple, we invite you to please rise. Iniimbitahan po namin ang bawat isa na tumayo. And let's give our warmest welcome to our sweetest, happiest, and most loving couple of the year. Here we have Joel and Joy. Hey, 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 hey. Joel, matanong ko lang, ilang dosenang anak ba ang inyong plano ni Joy?
45! Tao!
Sisimulan mo na mamaya. 45 dozen kids lang ang plano nila.
John,
Jam, ang galing mo po. Grabe, the best. Sobrang saya na makabisita namin. Buhay na buhay na.
maraming salamat Host Jam.
Maraming salamat po.
Bibinagsisinig yung ginuha namin, the best ka talaga.
Yes,
Kaya ang dami
the
ko nakuha
best.
sa'yo eh.
True.